Hello, Internet. If you're like me and you have a Bowflex C6 or a Schwinn IC4 exercise bike and you're starting to have a problem with your display, like it's intermittently switching off or you have bad readings, if you're stuck with the same problem I had, it's probably because of the sensor here, the magnetic sensor. It's it's a magnetic, it's a mechanical switch, and each time the magnet passes in front of it, it clicks. But if you use the Bowflex a lot, like I do, after a few years, this mechanical switch starts to wear and it doesn't click as it should. So I made a little cable to fix the problem. I replaced the sensor basically. This video is not about making this, but if you look at the description below, there should be a link to a PDF that gives a lot more information on how to build the cable yourself. Basically, it's a T cable. So the normal power for the Bowflex is here. And what I do is I connect and instead of being connected where it should be here, I connect it to my cable. It's a T cable, and then it goes here. So the power goes to the bike. And if you see behind, this is where I hid the cable. And my sensor is a Hall Effect Transistor. If you see it, it's just in front of the magnet there. It's holding by a few tie wraps. And so that's it. The advantage of the mechanical switch is that it's simple. It doesn't require any power, but the drawback is that over time it wears. The drawback about using a Hall Effect transistor is that it needs power. That's why I had to create myself a T cable like that. But the advantage is that it's going to outlast the bike. So the instructions on the PDF are not for everybody, but if, like me, your bike is unusable anymore because you don't have a display, then probably you're going to be willing to give it a shot. So have a look at the PDF below, and good luck.